I'm back with you today, and I thought we'd make something that I think you're going to find very tasty. What if I say, you scream, we all scream for ice cream? So I'm gonna teach you how to make your own ice cream in a bag. Does that sound good? Awesome. All right, so for this one, you're going to need some milk, and whole milk is preferable, but if you have some other milk, that's fine. So milk, even chocolate milk if you like chocolate ice cream, or I don't know if this works, but you might try strawberry milk and see if that works. So you need some milk. We have some vanilla. I have sprinkles, but you're gonna need those later. Not yet. I have some salt. I have ice. I have sugar. And then you're going to need 2 Ziploc bags. You're going to need the big gallon size one, and then you're going to need a quart size one. And then you're probably going to need some oven mitts, or maybe a towel, because it's going to be cold when you're holding it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our smaller Ziploc, the quart size, and we're going to pour in, I have 1 cup of milk. And this is where you can do your chocolate milk or even strawberry milk if you like strawberry ice cream. And if you want to, you could even put chocolate sauce in there. So I'm going to pour this into my bag. Please be very careful. So we got our milk. And now I'm going to pour in the sugar, and we have 1 tablespoon of sugar. There goes my sugar. Now I'm gonna need a ½ teaspoon of vanilla. Do it over top of my bag here. Whoa! Whoops! Mine's gonna be extra vanilla. Good thing I did it over the bag. I'm gonna shake that off. Now I'm kind of sticky. Put that in the sink. Okay, so let's see, make sure I got everything. I've got my milk, sugar, and vanilla, and I'm gonna zip that up really good. You don't put anything else in this first little bag, but you wanna make sure that you get it zipped up really good. Then you can kind of move it around and mix that up with your hands there. Can you believe that that's gonna turn into ice cream? Okay, the next part, we're gonna leave that there. Now you're gonna get your big Ziploc bag, and you're gonna fill this about halfway. You can even go a little bit more than halfway with ice. Put some ice in here. This is gonna help the ice cream get really cold. And once you have your ice cream, what you can do is, if you have sprinkles, you can add sprinkles to it. You can add chocolate chips, or any of the toppings that you like to add. I think that's when I've added my chocolate syrup. Ooh, it's so cold. There we go. And 1 runaway ice cube. Okay, so I got my ice. Now I'm going to put 1/3 of a cup of salt in with my ice. All right, shake that up a bit. Now you're gonna put your small bag that's got the vanilla, the milk, and the sugar, and we're gonna put it inside the big bag with the ice and the salt. Oop, I forgot one thing. You're gonna wanna make sure that you got the air out of that small one before you zip that up really good. You want to make sure you get that one zipped up really well. You don't want salt inside your ice cream. So then I'm going to push the air out of this one, zip it up. Alright, so I've got my bags, and I got my oven mitts. And pause with me, I'm gonna step outside so we don't make any mess in the kitchen. All right, so I'm outside so I don't make a mess. I got my pot holders on because this is gonna be cold. You're not gonna wanna hold it, but this is the fun part. You get to shake it and you get to dance around and you can shake it because you wanna do it for about 5 minutes. The more shaking, the better the ice cream is gonna turn out to be. So we're gonna shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. And that salt in the ice is gonna help cool it down, and then we're gonna freeze that milk and ice cream. We're gonna make our own ice cream. And you can even dance around when you do it. Woo. Oh, let me turn it around so you can see it. All right, I'm gonna keep shaking and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. All right, change of plans again. My neighbor decided to use his chainsaw while I was doing my video outside, so now I'm in my garage. All right, so I shook it for 5 minutes. It took forever, but I think it's gonna turn out really good. So the longer you can stand to shake it, the better it's going to be. And it was messy, so please make sure you do this outside in a garage or outside on your porch. What you're gonna do is open the big bag and get out the little bag. Make sure you get all the ice off of it. You can put that aside, you don't really need that. Just make sure it goes in the garbage eventually. Whoop. All right, turned out pretty good. Now, don't be upset because it's probably not gonna be exactly like what you have at where you get your favorite ice cream. But what you can do now if you want is put some sprinkles or chocolate syrup. I'm gonna add a few sprinkles. Woohoo! And I even found a lovely cow spoon. I'm gonna zoom in, check it out. That's what it looked like. Makes quite a bit. All right, the moment of truth. Let's see if it tastes good. Very good. All right, I hope yours turns out, and I hope you enjoy your ice cream. Bye.